how to get free Telegram stars in minutes. So if you want to get free Telegram stars in minutes, then first you need to open up your Telegram application. Make sure that you have an internet connection and make sure that you've logged into your account. Now, after opening a Telegram app on your Android device, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner and then open up the menu from here. Now, you need to select the settings, which will be on the bottom. And from the settings, you need to just scroll down until you find an option called Telegram Stars or My Stars. You need to tap on it. And here you will see your current star balance. If you have any stars, they'll be displayed right here. Now, the third step is to start earning free stars. To do that, below you will have the balance, right? It will show you the different tasks you can complete to get free stars. You need to tap on Earn Stars, which will be on the bottom. These tasks may include referring friends, share your referral link, and when someone spends stars using your link, you can earn some commission using mini apps. Some Telegram mini apps offer stars as a reward for engagement, completing challenges in Telegram. And it also provides some challenges that rewards stars. Once completed, the more tasks you complete, the more stars you can earn. You can also track your earnings after completing your stars. You can return to My Stars section and check your updated balance. If you are actively referring friends or using mini apps, your stars will increase over time. And that's how you can get free stars in minutes. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.